Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our Dinajpur online school. Dear students, how are you? I think you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, I think you are not so well because you cannot go to school and move from here to there, because we are passing a very crisis moment because of COVID-19. Not only we, but also all over the world are passing through a very crisis moment. So we have to stay at home and stay safe. Dear learners, before it starts my today's session, I will recite a rhyme. You have to repeat with me, okay? It starts. So now it starts. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Okay, repeat with me. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high. Repeat with me. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Thank you, dear students. Today I will discuss you with a very familiar and very easy topics. That means form fill up or completing a form. Look at the whiteboard and please put out your notebook and pen. Put out your notebook and pen. Okay, dear student, look at the whiteboard. Form fill up or completing a form. This item will set in your question paper 13 and it contains 5 marks, and it is easy for every student to get 5 marks in these topics. But you have to know some information. This information are available, is familiar to you because it starts in our class 3 and now we are the students of class 5. So if we know some terms, it will be easy for us to complete a form. Okay, dear students, look. Look, dear students, and look at the whiteboard. Suppose name. Suppose your name Rohim. You have to write here Rohim. Rohim. Father's name Abdul Rahman. Maybe Abdul Rahman. Mother's name Rohima Begum. Maybe your mother's name Rohima Begum. Present address. That means where we live or where you live is your present address. Suppose Balubari Dinajpur is your present address. 312 by 6 Balubari Dinajpur. Okay, it's your present address. And permanent address, if your permanent address is vary from present address, then you will write, suppose your permanent address is Banglagiri, so Masterpara Banglagiri Hakimpur Dinajpur. In this way you have to write your permanent address and present address. Besides this, you have to know some more information. Suppose they want your religion. They also knows from you religion, means what is your religion. As you are Muslim, then Muslim. As you are Hindus, Hindus. As you are Christian, then you have to write Christian. In this way, you have to fill up in this stage Muslim or Hindus or Christians or Buddhists, in this way. Sex. Here means you are male or female. You have to write. If you are male, you have to write male. If you are girl, you have to write female. Okay? Sex means you are male or female. Okay? Or you are boy or girl. You are boy, then you have to write male. And if you are girl, then you have to write female. Religion. Suppose Islam. If you are Muslim, Islam. If you are Hindus, then you have to write Hindus. Blood group. That means most of you know that there are 4 blood groups. It may be B positive or A positive or A negative or AB positive. Which belongs to you? You have to write. Suppose my blood group is B positive. Then I have to write B positive. Not only this. Many times your teacher wants to know more information. Suppose number 9. Nationality. What is your nationality? Most of us are Bangladeshi. Bangladeshi by birth. Bangladeshi. Nationality Bangladeshi. Number 10. Date of birth. 15th. Maybe your birthday 15th January 2009. As you are PEC examiner, you are the students of class 10. Your age will be near about 10 years. Okay? In this way, you have to write your date of birth. And again, you have to mistake some topics. Date. Date of birth and date is not difference, but you have done a very little mistake in these 2 ones, number 10 or number 11. Date means today. 9/7/2020. That means 9th July 2020. Date. Again, you have to know division. In which division belongs to you? In which division do you live? Now we are in Rangpur division. Dinajpur is under Rangpur division. That's why we have to write Rangpur, not Rajshahi. A few years ago we are in Rajshahi division, but now we are in Rangpur division. So we have to write Rangpur. Okay, dear student, look. First name. We have to write in our respective name. Father's name, suppose Rohim, mother's name Rohima, present address Balubari, Dinajpur, permanent address Hili Hakimpur, Dinajpur. A religion. If I am Muslim, then I will write Islam, and if I Hindu, then I have to write Hindus. Sex. That means if you are a boy, you have to write male, and if you are a girl, then you have to write female. Blood group. There are some groups are available: B positive, A positive, A negative, AB positive, etc. You have to write in this way. And nationality. That means most of us are Bangladeshi. That's why Bangladeshi. Date of birth: 15th January 2009. Maybe 17th April 2009. Maybe 6th June 2009, etc. It varies from students to students. Dear learners, clear? And date, the date when you will set for the exam, this date you have to write. Okay? Suppose today 9th July 2020, and division Rangpur. Now we are under Dinajpur is under Rangpur division. That's why our division is Rangpur. Okay, dear students, so note down in your notebook. Suppose you have to write number 13 school. Look, dear students, suppose school. Suppose you are the students in your question paper. If you write down, suppose you are the students of X government primary school. You have to your roll number is here selected 1 or 2, section A. Then you have to fill up, complete the form in this way. X class 5 roll 1 section A or B. Contact number. This may be unknown to you. That means phone number. Contact number is a similar word of phone number. You have to write your phone number 01717749108. In this way, you have to write your contact number or phone number. Dear student, look. Suppose you are the students of X or Y. Suppose you are the students of Y. Then you have to write the name, school names Y, class 5, roll 1, section A. This will be noted in your question paper. If this information will be available, in your question paper. And contact number. Contact number is similar to phone number. We know, we are very familiar with this word, phone number, but not contact number. The similar word of phone number is contact number. In this way, you have to write your contact number. Occupation, number 18. Occupation. First will be your occupation. As you are students, you don't do any job now. That's why you have to write students. Student. It's your occupation. Dear students, and last of all, dear student, last of all, you have to write signature. Signature. Then you have to write, suppose you are Rana, then you have to write Rana. Suppose you are female or Rina, that's your signature. But dear students, I have written 19 terms, but we want, as a teacher, we want from you only 5 information. Maybe nationality, date of birth, date, contact number, school. In this way, we will want in our question paper from you only 5 information. But this 5 information will be available in this 19 topics. Okay? If you know these terms, 19 terms about know the information about 19 topics, it will be easy for you to complete a form. And it is very easy, and every student get 5 marks in these topics. In your question paper, it will set in question number 13, and you will get 5 marks easily. It's a very easy task. As a students of class 3, they are not very familiar with these words, but as you are going to appear at the PEC exam, these terms are very familiar to you, I think. Dear students, I think, is there any question? I think it's very easy terms, but you have to write only 5 information about yourself, only 5 information. But I have written here 19 information: name, father's name, mother's name, permanent address, present address, religion, nationality, date of birth, date, division, contact number or phone number, section, role, class, school, signature, occupation, etc., etc. But if you know this, if you are familiar with these 19 terms, it will be very easy for you to answer the question number 13, and you will get easily 5 marks. Dear students, very easy to get 5 marks if you are a little bit sincere about these topics. And if you are familiar with this 19 information, it will be easy for you to get 5 marks. Dear students, I think it is clear to you, as it is a very easy task, and it starts from class 3, and now you are the students of class 5 are going to appear or set for the PEC exam. It will be very easy. As today's my topic is very easy. That means completing a form or form fill-up. Okay, dear students, I am going to finish my class. But before finish my class, I request you, please stay home and study regularly and stay safe and obey your parents, as you are not move from here to this house to that house, or you cannot come to a respective school. That's why you must obey your parents. They are your guide. If you follow their advice, I think you must, not only thing, I am sure you will shine in life. Dear students, see you in my next class. Okay, bye.